Hello guys, today we are gonna talk about the basics of Fibonacci in trading, Fibonacci retracements and extensions. So we're gonna start with the retracements by grabbing the Fibonacci retracement tool in MetaTrader 4, and we're gonna start with this market swing. So start by clicking at the lowest point and up to the highest point. So you can do this on any market swing. And the Fibonacci tool will automatically place all the different tools that you have set up. By the way, you can set up those by clicking, right-clicking on the tool and going to Fibo properties, and here you have all the Fibo levels. So if you just want to add a Fibonacci level, you click on add, you type in the value. For example, if you want if you want to place 50% Fibonacci retracement, you type in 0.5 and that's your 50% level, and type in a description for that level here, and then you click OK. So in our case, we are going to delete that. So out of all these levels, the most important ones will be the 38.2% retracement, the 50% retracement, and the 61.8 retracement. We have plotted here the 23.6% and the 78.6% retracements, but they are, I would say, of a less importance generally, as the market doesn't most commonly respects those levels, while the 38.2, the 50, and the 61.8% retracements are most of the time respected by the market by either a small bounce like this, or some retracement like this, or a reversal like this. In most cases, you will see price jumping a little bit at those three Fibonacci retracements. Next, let's look at the extensions, and we are going to grab the Fibonacci extension tool. So just go from this lowest point here, go to a high point. Let's say you can go to a high point here, to this market swing. You can calculate from this market swing, from this market swing, but anyway, for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use this one. So you can see the tool places the extension, and it places the 61.8 extension here. So as you can see near this high, what we can do also is calculate it for this swing as well, like this. You can see that this shows more of the levels, like the 61.8, the 100% extension, and the 127.2% extension. So you can see how the market respected the 100 and ended the swing near the 127.2 extension of this swing, and that also coincides with the 61.8% extension of this swing. So guys, this is very important in Fibonacci extensions when you're determining important technical levels, to look at more of the swings and to see where more Fibonacci extensions coincide in the same area, as that can be a really strong area of support or a resistance. So that's about it for this video, guys, and talk to you in the next one. Thanks for watching.